Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we get real about beauty products that actually work. Today, I'm excited to talk about a product that's been highly recommended for anyone dealing with dry, damaged, or colored hair. The Sebastian Professional Penetraitt Shampoo. If you've been struggling with hair that feels weak or just isn't bouncing back from damage, this shampoo claims to be the solution you've been searching for. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Sebastian Professional Penetraitt Shampoo is designed to strengthen and repair hair that's been through a lot, whether from heat styling, chemical treatments, or just general wear and tear. It's formulated for weak, dry, and damaged hair, so it's perfect if you're trying to revive tired strands. This shampoo's main selling point is its deep repairing formula, which promises to penetrate deep into the hair shaft to rebuild and protect. On the ingredient front, it's packed with a blend of proteins that target damaged hair fibers. While the exact formulation isn't publicly listed, we know from the brand's reputation that Sebastian uses high-performance ingredients aimed at strengthening and fortifying hair. It's also sulfate-free, which is a major win for anyone with colored hair, as sulfates can strip hair color and moisture. Now, onto my experience with the Penetraitt shampoo. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I've been thoroughly impressed with how it feels on the hair. The texture is smooth and creamy, making it easy to lather up, and a little goes a long way. It has a subtle, neutral scent, nothing overwhelming, which is great for anyone sensitive to fragrances. As for the performance, I've noticed a real difference in my hair's texture after washing. My hair feels more manageable and softer, which is surprising given how much heat and styling I put it through. Even after just a few uses, it definitely feels less brittle and more nourished. I tested it during both my morning and evening showers, and it performed equally well at both times of the day. However, one thing to note is that while it feels nourishing, the shampoo doesn't leave your hair feeling overly moisturized, like some deeply hydrating formulas do. If you have super dry hair, you might need to follow up with a good conditioner to seal in the moisture. But for those with more manageable hair, this could be a one-step solution. So, what are the pros and cons of the Penetraitt shampoo? Well, on the plus side, it's incredibly effective at strengthening and revitalizing damaged hair. If you're dealing with weak strands, this shampoo will help fortify them without weighing your hair down. It's also sulfate-free, which makes it safe for color-treated hair. The cons are minimal, but as mentioned, you may need to follow up with a conditioner if you have very dry hair. And while the shampoo does a great job of strengthening, it doesn't provide the deep moisture some might expect from a repair product. Now let's talk about value for money. The Sebastian Professional Penetraitt Shampoo is on the pricier side, but you're paying for quality. This is a professional-grade product, and it's worth considering if you have significant hair damage or if you're using it regularly to maintain healthy hair. The large bottle size makes it last quite a while, which adds to the value. When compared to other repair shampoos on the market, like Redken's Extreme Shampoo or Joico K-Pack, Penetraitt holds its own, especially in terms of how well it fortifies hair. While those options may offer more moisture, Penetraitt excels in strengthening and protecting the hair from further damage, which can be a game changer for many. The shampoo comes in solid packaging, and the product itself feels high-end. It's easy to use, and the bottle design ensures that the product dispenses well without making a mess. I didn't have any issues with spillage, and it's durable for everyday use. As far as longevity goes, the shampoo didn't lose its effectiveness over time, and I've been able to use it consistently without it drying out or irritating my scalp. It's gentle enough for daily use if needed, though it's also powerful enough for weekly use as part of a deep repair routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. Customer service from Sebastian has always been reliable, and while I didn't need to reach out this time, the brand has a great reputation for helping with product-related questions and issues. So, who would benefit most from the Sebastian Professional Penetraitt Shampoo? I'd say it's perfect for anyone with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair who needs a strengthening shampoo that won't weigh them down. If you're looking for moisture-rich formulas though, this might not be the best fit unless you combine it with a hydrating conditioner. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.